Hi, this is Dansoy Amateur Cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. To let you know, this is not really a recipe official video. I'm not sure what you want to call this. This is like an added bonus. We're just spending some time together. I'm going to actually make a meal for myself for later on. It's a healthy meal. So I have some leftovers. I have oregano, cilantro, white and red onion. I do have fire roasted green chilies and tomatoes, and I have this really good grilled chicken. So I'm just gonna throw something together, and this is really just like a bonus. This is not really like the Monday, Wednesday, or Friday upload. This is just a bonus us spending time together. So I'm gonna put some olive oil on here, and I'm gonna put the chicken on, and I'm gonna put it on low, and then we'll start adding the stuff. But this is a really healthy meal, and it's something you can really make quick if you have chicken already made. If you don't have chicken already made, you could use beef or seafood, but really, like I said, it's something really quick you could put together, and then after you cook it, you could throw it into the refrigerator and store it for like 3 to 5 days, or just eat it that day. So we'll get started. Alright, so we have the olive oil in there. Now we're going to take that chicken that I already have. It's the Naked Truth. It's already grilled, and it has the marks on there. I'll tell you, this chicken is my go-to chicken. I buy this all the time, and it saves steps from cooking chicken. So we got that in there. Now put your stove on low, just to get some heat going, and then we'll start adding the other stuff. Add the diced tomatoes at the end. Alright, so the next step is you want to take some of this oregano and pull the leaves off and throw it in the pan. We don't want to use a lot of it because this is really strong when you buy the fresh herb. So we're going to throw some of that in there. Alright, so I threw some of that oregano in there. If you don't have fresh, you could use like the spice, or you could just skip it. Now we're going to throw in some cilantro. Alright, so we have that cilantro in there. And you can never go wrong with cilantro. It's a really good spice, and it goes well with chicken. But yeah, thanks for spending time with me. And this is like a just a bonus, like I said. And I cook this all the time for myself. And right now we're going to take this red onion and white, and we're going to dice that up. And then when we're done, we're going to throw it in that pan, and then we'll turn it on to medium. We'll cook everything and like blend everything together, and then that's when we'll add the diced tomatoes at the end. Alright, so we have that red onion and white onion. You can chop it up, dice it, do whatever you want. There's really no rule to this recipe. So look at all the colors in there. So now we're going to turn the stove up to medium, and we're going to just start cooking. Alright, so we have that up to medium, and you can hear it. So just start working that around. If you have to, add more olive oil. And we have those diced fire roasted tomatoes with the chilies in there. We'll add that towards the end, and we cook this down a bit. But you can see like that grilled chicken that I already bought. I tell you, that makes for a really good, healthy meal. And you could plate this, or you could put it in a bowl and make a chicken and rice bowl. Or you could put this on top of rice or pasta. But you can see how the cilantro cooked down. If you have to, put this back to low and work it. But be right back. We'll add the chili soon. Alright, so you can see that cooked down a bit. The one thing that I forgot is some garlic. So throw in the amount of garlic that you want. It's always good to keep this garlic on hand. Something that's really natural. That's easy to go to. So just throw in some garlic and just stir that all together. And basically just cook this until it fits your taste. Like some people like the onions caramelized, some like them just a little bit tender. And we're just waiting on one step to add the fire roasted tomatoes with chilies. Alright, so you can see that the garlic is in there and we've cooked it down. Now you're going to want to take these fire roasted tomatoes and throw it in there. Try not to get the juice in there because you don't want it to become like too runny. So basically, just throw in the tomatoes that you want and then just mix it around. Alright, so we have that on medium and you can see it sizzling away. You can see the olive oil in there and we have our tomatoes. So we're basically done. But if you want it, you could add other stuff. You could like cook orzo ahead of time and drain it, and then you could throw it on top. But this is the main foundation of this dish. So just cook it a little bit more and then turn the burner off. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there you have it. You can see all the colors in there. You could add like a lot more stuff if you wanted to, but this is basically, like I said, the foundation of making different meals. So on Facebook, look for me as Danny Franklin Amateur Cook, or look for me at media page of Dansoy. But this is just a bonus and a tip on how to cook a healthy chicken meal. So be safe, love you, be blessed, love you, Dansoy out, peace.